Next integration is what? Integration of dx divided by 2x square minus x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole cube. Then how to solve this problem? So this is quadratic and this is a linear equation to the power 3. Then what you will do here, x minus 1 we will take 1 by t. So if I take x minus 1 as 1 by t, then first you will find out dx. So you will differentiate this one. So if you differentiate this one, what will come? X differentiate dx and minus 1 differentiate what? 0 and 1 by t differentiate what? Minus 1 by t square dt. Then this one we have to convert in terms of t. So we will find out x value from here. So x value what will come? 1 by t plus 1. Then x we can write 1 plus t divided by t. So this integration will become what? Integration of 1 divided by, in bracket, 2 times x square, that means 1 plus t divided by t whole square. So this is what? 1 plus t whole square divided by t square minus x. X is what? 1 plus t divided by t minus 1 into x minus 1 whole cube. So x minus 1 is what? 1 by t. So this will become what? 1 by t whole cube. And dx. So instead of dx we can add minus 1 by t square dt. So this will become what? Minus 1 by t square dt. So if we take LCM, so LCM is what? T square. So this will become what? Integration of 1 divided by LCM is t square. And numerator what will come? 2 into 1 plus t whole square. So this will become what? 2 into 1 plus t square plus 2t. This is what t. So here we have to multiply t. So what will come? Minus t plus t square. And this is what? 1. So here what will come? Minus t square, bracket close. And this is what? 1 by t cube. And this will come what? Minus 1 by t square dt. So here t square getting cancelled. This t cube will come in numerator. So what will come here? Integration of t cube divided by 2 into t square minus t square, here also minus t square. So this one getting cancelled. 2 into 2t, 4t and minus t. So what will come? 3t. And 2 into 1 is what? 2. So what will come? Plus 2. And here what is remaining? Minus 1 into dt. So minus 1 into dt. So here what we will do? Minus 1 we can write here, integration of t cube. And here what we will take? 3 common. So if we take 3 common, what will come? T plus 2 by 3 into dt. Now here what we will do? Minus integration of t cube. In numerator we will, what we will do? Plus adding 2 by 3 whole square and subtracting minus 2 by 3 whole square. And denominator is what? 3 is we can take outside, so 1 by 3. And this is what? T plus 2 by 3 dt. Now here t cube plus 2 by 3 whole cube, this is cube, and here also cube will come. So t cube plus 2 by 3 whole cube we will do separate, and minus 2 by 3 whole cube we will do separate. Okay, so what will come here? Minus 1 by 3 in bracket integration of, if I separate t cube plus 2 by 3 whole cube, and we will use here formula a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b plus into a square minus ab plus b square. So this formula we will apply here. So t cube plus 2 by 3 whole cube, this one we can write what? T plus 2 by 3 into t square minus 2 by 3t plus 4 by 9 into divided by t plus 2 by 3 dt, and minus 2 by 3 whole cube, that is 8 by 27 integration of dt divided by t plus 2 by 3 bracket close. This will come. Now we will integrate this one. So what will come here? Minus 1 by 3 in bracket t plus 2 by 3 getting cancelled. t square minus 2 by 3 t plus 4 by 9 dt. So this one integrate directly. So t square integration what will t cube divided by 3 minus 2 by 3. Integration of t what will become t square by 2 plus 4 by 9 outside. Integration of 1 is what t minus 8 by 27. Integration of dt divided by t plus 2 by 3. So this one what will come ln modulus of t plus 2 by 3 bracket close plus c. Now here what we will do, t value we will put. So t is what from here, t we can say 1 divided by x minus 1. So if I put t value here, so this integration what will come minus 1 by 3 in bracket 1 by 3. Instead of t, what will put 1 divided by x minus 1. So this will come 1 divided by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 getting cancelled, 1 by 3 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square plus 4 by 9 into 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 8 by 27 plus ln modulus of 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 by 3 modulus close plus c. This is your answer. Okay, so this is the procedure. You can see here t cube divided by t plus 2 by 3. There is one more method to solve this one. If you do this one synthetic division, t cube divided by t plus 2 by 3, you will get same equation, this equation, and like that we can solve.